Chrysler Pacifica engine repairs near me. Chrysler is one of the big three automobile manufacturers in the United States. Headquartered in Auburn Hills, Michigan, it is the American subsidiary of Dutch domiciled automotive company Stellantis. In addition to the Chrysler brand, Stellantis North America sells vehicles worldwide under the Dodge, Jeep, and Ram nameplates. It also includes Mopar, its automotive parts and accessories division, and SRT, its performance automobile division. The 2020 Chrysler Pacifica is a minivan known for its family-friendly features, comfortable interior, and advanced safety technologies. Here are some of the notable features commonly found in the 2020 Chrysler Pacifica. Servicing a Chrysler Pacifica involves regular maintenance tasks to ensure the vehicle's optimal performance, safety, and longevity. Here are some common service and maintenance tasks recommended for the Chrysler Pacifica. Oil change. Regular oil changes are crucial for engine health. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations for the type of oil and the interval for oil changes. Fluid checks. Regularly check and top off essential fluids, including coolant, brake fluid, transmission fluid, and power steering fluid. Tire maintenance. Rotate the tires regularly to ensure even wear. Check tire pressure and tread depth to maintain proper traction and extend tire life. Brake inspection. Have the brakes inspected regularly, including checking brake pads, rotors, and brake fluid levels. Address any issues promptly to ensure safety. Air filter replacement. Replace the engine air filter as recommended to maintain proper air intake and fuel efficiency. Battery inspection. Check the battery for corrosion and ensure it is holding a charge. Replace the battery if necessary. Alignment and suspension. Periodically check the vehicle's alignment and suspension components to ensure proper handling and tire wear. Transmission service. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations for transmission fluid changes or flushes to keep the transmission in good condition. Spark plug replacement. Replace spark plugs at the recommended intervals for optimal engine performance and fuel efficiency. Timing belt or chain inspection. If your Pacifica has a timing belt, ensure it is inspected and replaced according to the manufacturer's guidelines. If it has a timing chain, regular inspections are still important. Cooling system maintenance. Regularly inspect and maintain the cooling system, including the radiator, hoses, and thermostat. Check engine light diagnosis. If the check engine light comes on, promptly have the vehicle diagnosed to identify and address any potential issues. Always refer to the vehicle's owner's manual for the manufacturer's recommended service intervals and specific maintenance requirements for your Chrysler Pacifica model year. Additionally, consulting with a qualified mechanic or authorized Chrysler service center is advisable for professional assistance with maintenance and repairs. Regular servicing helps keep the vehicle in optimal condition and can prevent more significant issues down the line.